Title: Apple inches closer to cosmic $3 trillion milestone. Are we witnessing a tech titan's triumph? TLDR. Apple's stock hits a back-to-back record high, teasing a cosmic $3 trillion market cap. Investor sentiment buoyed by the possibility of the Federal Reserve putting the brakes on interest rate hikes and optimism around the potential of AI. But wait, is this just an illusion of greatness or the real deal? Attention folks. Another day, another dollar. Or should we say trillion? Our beloved fruit-named tech titan, Apple, is so close to joining the $3 trillion club that it can taste it, and boy, it must taste like ambrosia. Apple's stock leapt to another record close this Wednesday, marking 2 days of consecutive record highs. It ended the day with a slight 0.6% uptick to $189.25, which nudged the company's market cap to a jaw-dropping $2.98 trillion. But don't pop the champagne just yet, this fruity tech titan has been here before. It's déjà vu all over again for Apple, as this isn't the company's first rodeo at the $3 trillion rodeo. In fact, on a fine day, January 3, 2022, Apple's market value danced above the $3 trillion mark, but only for a fleeting moment during intraday trading, before it bowed down just below the line at closing. Now, let's talk about what's driving this optimistic rally. For one, Wall Street is betting that the Federal Reserve is close to winding up its US interest rate hikes, which has been giving investors all sorts of jitters. A pause on rate hikes? Music to investors' ears. Secondly, there's a surge of optimism about the vast potential of artificial intelligence, which is as mystifying as it is exciting. Is it the rise of our robot overlords, or simply smarter toasters? But what does this all mean for us? Sure, it's a triumph for Apple, but what does this tell us about the state of our economy? Is it healthy? Or are we just blowing bubbles here? And what about the looming concerns over inflation? Or the digital giant's growing power? The news of Apple reaching towards the $3 trillion market cap is an enticing story, like a shiny apple hanging from a tree in an enchanted forest. But remember, all that glitters is not gold. Or, in this case, all that seems like a juicy apple might not necessarily be right for the picking. So, we leave you with this. Apple's journey to the $3 trillion mark is nothing short of an epic saga. The question now is, will it finally cross this historic milestone, or will it once again fall just short of the finish line? And if it does cross, is it a sign of great things to come, or a warning of an impending tech bubble? What do you think? Let the debate begin.